Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into marketing section of Bitrix24, and by the end you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button and let's get started. So for the marketing, we have to log in our Bitrix24 account, and then you will get the marketing option in the left side icon. Just click on the marketing option. So, whatever marketing you are to do, like just like email campaigning, SMS campaigning, messages, voice broadcasting, audio calls, Google ads, Facebook audience, Facebook lookalike, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, repeat leads, deals, CRM forms, CRM payments. So these are the basically campaign related tools. So you can use accordingly. So if you want to do email campaigning, then just select the email campaign and just start campaigning emailing. And then if you want to do SMS campaign, then you can choose the SMS campaign option. So just like that, if you want to do Google ads, then you can directly create your audience from the Google also. So you have to just create your account for the Facebook and Google and Instagram, and then you can easily do the email campaigning, Instagram marketing, and Facebook marketing from here itself. So Bitrix is a vast and it will provide you multiple options for the email campaigning. So you can easily utilize all these features in the Bitrix24. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.